Alright, number one, we're using the triangle to find cosine. So we're just getting re-familiarized with our trig functions and the sides of a triangle. So to find cosine, we need the adjacent side over the hypotenuse side. So let's label our sides. Across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. Across from the angle of reference, so angle A, is the opposite side, and then the remaining side next to the angle is the adjacent. Okay, so we know the adjacent side is 14, but we don't know the length of the hypotenuse, so we're going to have to solve for that. And we solve for that using the Pythagorean theorem. So that's the legs squared, and that equals the hypotenuse squared. Okay, so we know the legs. Those are these two sides that make the right angle. So 14 squared plus 48 squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So let's solve for this. I need a calculator. So 2500 is 14 squared plus 48 squared. That's not the length of the hypotenuse, that's the length of the hypotenuse squared. So we're going to take the square root of both sides, and the hypotenuse is what's left over, and then the square root, 2500 is 50. So this side is 50. So the cosine is a ratio, it's just these numbers in a fraction. 14 over 50 would be your answer.